Hey y'all, I'm Jackie with Via Travelers, and our friends at Tripped sent some travel gear over. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I've got some scissors, and that's about all I need for this unboxing, right? Alright, let's do it. Here we go. Brute force, we got this. Oh my gosh. Alright, here's what the card says. A huge thank you from us at Tripped Travel Gear. Our goal is to make your next adventure even better. If you have any feedback on how we can improve, please reach out to us at blah blah blah. Wow, this is awesome. This is great. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is the backpack. Yeah, cool. So this is their day bag. Let me get this out the way really quick. This is their day pack. It is water resistant, super durable. Oh my God, look at the pockets. Oh, I'm gonna be so organized. Wow. Okay, so I'm not the best influencer. So we're gonna see how well this shows up on camera. But there's a couple different pockets in here. It's super lightweight. As you can see, it folded up super tiny. Oh, I love it. Oh, a mesh pocket. Oh, we got drink holders. I love it. Oh, this is great. We got one more thing in here. Let's see. This I think is their tech organizer, so I can keep all of my wires and technical doodads organized. Whoa, okay, so this is like an accordion style, and we've got little pockets to keep everything organized. I love it. I am not the most organized person when it comes to really anything in my life, but particularly traveling. But I think having this gear now is definitely going to help out, and it's going to make my next adventure, which is coming up really soon, even more special. For VA Travelers, thank you so much. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.
All right, hello everybody. Today we're going to be unpacking the Tripped Travel Gears packing cubes for carry-on. I chose the carry-on because I try to stuff as many things as I possibly can into my carry-on bag because I hate doing checked bags. All right, so this is how it comes. Looks like we have a little thank you note here. And on the back, there's actually a packing to-do list, so that might come a little bit handy. So I got the National Park packing cubes because I think they're really pretty and they'll probably inspire me to go on more trips. So we have an accessories bag, that looks like, shoes, and various things like that. It looks like there are two smaller packing cubes. We have the Grand Canyon and Yellowstone. And then looks like a dirty laundry bag, these Grand Canyons, which is really useful because I tend to just throw all my dirty clothes back in my carry-on, and then I have to do extra laundry when I get back from any trip. We all know how fun that is. And then we've got two larger bags with the arches. So in total it comes with 5 bags and a dirty laundry bag. I'll go ahead and do it in order. So this is the dirty laundry bag. It's actually pretty big. It has lots of space in here. It looks like it has 2 of the clips, so that you can clip it together, hang it up, store it however you want to. And it looks like we have 2 larger bags. The website says you can fit about 5 men's large shirts in the larger one and about 5 mediums in the smaller one. It kind of looks pretty similar. Show you how much space. Quite a bit of space. So each of these bags comes with double zippers, which is meant for more compression space so that you can stick as many things as there as possible and compress it down, and it will give you a lot more space in your suitcase. How that looks. And then we've got 2 smaller bags. Same thing, they all have this double zipper component. They also have these little handles, which will come in handy if you need to quickly grab something out of one of your bags during carry-ons. I also like it because it looks like you'll be able to put it into a backpack. So if I needed a change of clothes, if you're going on a hike or for a swim, you can also go ahead and just pick it up and carry it. And then this one, looks like you can fit shoes. It says you can fit 12, I believe. Men's flip-flops in here. I don't wear flip-flops, but it looks like it would be just big enough for my sandals or a pair of extra shoes or heels in case you're going somewhere where you need to dress up. So I definitely love the colors and the fact that they're from the national parks. That gives them a really unique little touch. I also like that they all have those handles on there so that you can pick them up and carry them if you need to get something out without having to unzip it and completely get in your bag again. Another unique feature is the double zippers, so you have to be able to compress it and save even more space in your carry-on, which is fantastic, great for me because I tend to throw everything in there and then I can't find anything and it's generally a mess. So these are actually going to help me organize my travel so much, which you guys will see later in a review. They also seem pretty durable. I've only bought packing cubes once when I went on a long trip to England, and they were pretty flimsy and fell apart. These ones seem like they'll actually kind of hold your things pretty together. They do have a guarantee that if you don't like your gear or it doesn't work great, they will refund you for it. Seems like everything you have, everything you need here for packing it into a carry-on. Alright, well, I can't wait to use these on my next trip, and you guys will get a review seeing how these actually all look together, so look forward to that. Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of some stuff that we got in from Trip to Travel Gear. The timing is perfect because I'm actually packing up for something right now, so in a few minutes you'll stick around and you'll see how this stuff actually packs up for a trip. First up here we have a toiletry organizer. Nice color. It's like a dusty, they call this dusty rose, I think. A hanging organizer, a little clip tucks away. That's a cool feature. Looks like this is detachable for anything wet, waterproof. So this is like a nice fine mesh with a divider, less dense mesh. It's like a ton of zippers, a lot of ways to stay organized here, which is great. And then this toiletry kit also comes with an accessory pouch, which I think I'm gonna use for flats for shoes. But it looks like you could also put, it feels like it's probably pretty water resistant, so maybe bathing suits or anything like that as you're traveling. And then a TSA 311 bag, which is always great. So you can throw all of if you're flying, throw all your liquids in here, and then you have that, and then anything that doesn't count for the 311 rule can be in here. All right, so what else we got? This, I believe, is their tech organizer, which looks like it'll be perfect for a plain bag. It's accordion style, opens up. You know, it sits open pretty easily. It's got a ton of pockets for organization. I've used similar bags in the past. I actually have one of these already in a different color, and it's my favorite thing to fly with. It fits all my headphones, any sort of medications, some snacks. So I'll take some pictures of that in a video of that when it's all packed up. You'll see just how much this fits. I like all the details too. It's got the leather handle, the leather zipper pulls. Makes it a lot easier and a lot more durable than some, branded leather patch. And then what I'm most excited about, these are their business class packing cubes. And they seem to be inspired by some other high quality packing cubes out there on the market, so I'm excited to try them. They're compression cubes, so you can put some stuff in here in this pocket. And then it's a whole separate pocket here, so you can put, again, either bathing suits or maybe dirty clothes here, and then there's this pretty solid nylon liner in between. And then this feels like a very fine mesh. All right, so one more nice thing, these come with these little packing list cards. They're nice and sturdy, so you can keep them in there. You won't forget what you brought along with you. So I'm gonna be packing this stuff up for a trip, so stay tuned for how they all pack out. Again, we got this accessory pouch, the hanging toiletry kit and 311 bag, 2 of their business class packing cubes with dividers, and a tech pouch. So stick around.